Me and Kayla have always imagined what it would be like to experience winter with snow. Little did I expect that our wish would come true sooner than I thought. Grandma and Grandpa, along with our family and our little cousin Jaden, had planned a trip to Hokkaido. The flight was supposed to be 5 hours, but with delays and the usual chaos, by the time we landed, it was already late afternoon and the sun was starting to set. But honestly, that didn't bother us one bit. We had officially arrived and there was snow. The moment we stepped outside, it was freezing cold. But with the excitement of being in winter wonderland made it all worth it. I couldn't wait to explore.
Yeah, we can build a snowman.
Soaking in the sights, eventually we headed back to the hotel to rest and enjoy ourselves. Hello, welcome to our humble home. And this is the main area. This is the dining table, or like a table to do all your stuff.
And this is our information.
Where they said that the sauna room's on the 3rd floor and the restaurant located on the first basement floor. Whoa, there's a spa? Yep, there's a spa. The village. And then it is morning. Ooh, I see snow on all the roofs. It's really pretty. After a refreshing night, we are all energized and ready for our first adventure. Our first stop was the stunning Lake Shikotsu area. Where an enchanting ice festival awaited us. They also called it the Ice Museum. And we can totally see why, as there are many ice sculptures. Each one crafted by spraying water from Lake Shikotsu, known for having some of the clearest water in all of Japan. There's also an ice palace that are massive enough which we can literally climb up, but is so icy and slippery. We have to be extra careful with each step. I navigated the frozen wonderland. I couldn't help but wish we had more time here. This place would be perfect for an epic game of hide and seek. And we were feeling a bit hungry after all these running around. Our lunch is in a special restaurant, Jigokudani, seafood gem in Hokkaido. One of the standout features of Jigokudani is the live seafood tank, like live tofu, where you can choose your very own crab and other fresh catch. This beautiful restaurant has been a family treasure for 4 generations. A true ocean to plate demonstration.
I get obsessed.
We started off with their signature seafood hot pot. Well, the grown-up also had some fresh scallop sashimi. Then, of course, is the best bit, the crab. This is what we are here for. Incredibly tender. Simply amazing. And what we had in the end was just perfect. Makes us feel so nice and warm and ready to go out again in cold weather. Next up, Marine Park Nixe. We just got here just in time to see the most popular show here in this car, Penguin Parade. The parade is taking place right at the entrance of the park, and we are surrounded by the fairy tale-like buildings. Watching them come close to us is like a fantasy. They're so tiny and cute. There's also a castle. It is actually modeled after a real-life castle in Denmark. And this is actually where the aquarium is. Sea creatures are on display.
Check it out, you do. What it do? Take it out, and I move. Booty now, you do. Beach, beautiful. Such a so much good. Like it.
I kind of like those pearls. But the best bit I love has got to be the touch pool, where you can touch starfish. Or stingrays is a bit slimy. And sharks are scaly, but it feels so nice to touch them. I think they just really like us petting them. There's also a lot of performances around the park. Dolphin pool and sea lion pool, doing all sorts of tricks. So impressive.
They try his worst just to seize him.
I guess they're just tired. Next up, our final spot for today before we head back to another hot spring hotel. The place is called Jigokudani, meaning Hell's Valley. It sounded a little scary by the name, but the guy told us that they're actually like a guardian protecting the place, so no need to be scared. This place, you get to see volcanic gases spout from the cracks in the rocks and the strong smell of sulfur. Almost feels like someone just farted. I thought it was Dad or Gongo or Kayla. You can take a walk around the area too. We even bumped into this little friend. A wild deer came out to play. So cute. And that's that's a wrap for today. See you all again soon for the next